Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to cancel Myheritage subscription. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, I've compiled a list of ways to cancel your Myheritage subscription. So the ways is via the website, the app, and through Apple, iOS, and Android. So the first method is via the Myheritage website. So go to Myheritage and log in. Click on your profile name once done in the top right hand corner. Select My Purchases from the drop down menu. Find subscription under Site Subscription section. Click on View Details, and then next to subscription you want to cancel, select Stop Site Subscription and follow the prompts to confirm your cancellation. And now cancelling via the Myheritage app. So open up Myheritage app on your device and log in if needed. Tap on the menu icon. It looks like the three horizontal lines or a burger icon or your profile icon. Select My Purchases or a similar section. Find your subscription and tap on it. Select Cancel Subscription, then follow the prompts to confirm your cancellation. Now, if you've got an Apple device, iOS, open up Settings on your iPhone or iPad. Tap on your name. At the top of the screen, select Subscriptions. Find Myheritage in your list of subscriptions and tap on it. Tap Cancel Subscription, then confirm your cancellation. Now, if you've got an Android device, head over to your Play Store here. And now from here, click on your user profile, top right hand corner. Make sure you're inside the correct Gmail account here. And then once done, click on Payments and Subscriptions. Click on Subscriptions. And now look for Myheritage subscription, click onto it, and then click on Cancel. Make sure to cancel the subscription before the next billing date to avoid being overcharged.